Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Fiverr has emerged as a key platform for user-generated content, that is UGC creators, to connect with the brands and ensure paid work without the need of cold pitching. Unlike platforms where you have to actively seek out brands, Fiverr is an inbound marketplace where brands come to you. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to setting up your profile and landing your first UGC gig. The first step here is to optimize your Fiverr profile. Your profile is your digital business card. A well-optimized profile is the first step to attracting potential clients. First in here is professional username. Choose a username that is professional and easy to remember. It can be your name or a creative name that reflects your UGC services. Also, use a catchy profile title. Use a descriptive title that highlights your expertise. For example, I will be your UGC TikTok and Instagram Reels creator. Another key thing is to use compelling description. Your profile description should showcase your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Use relevant keywords that brands might search for, such as UGC, TikTok ads, product videos, and short form content. Another key thing is high quality profile photo. Use a clear, friendly, and professional headshot. Brands want to work with real people, so let your personality shine. Step 2 here is to create a standout gig. A gig, as you know, is the service you offer on Fiverr. A strong gig is what will get you noticed. In here, use descriptive gig title. Use a clear and concise title that accurately represents your service. Think about what a brand would type into the search bar. Also, use eye-catching gig video and gallery. This is the most crucial part of a UGC gig. A compelling video that showcases your own camera presence and editing skills is essential. The gig library should include high-quality sample videos and photos of your work, ideally featuring different products and styles. Another key smart tip here is smart pricing and packages. Create tiered packages, e.g. basic, standard, premium, that offer different levels of services. For example, the basic package could be a simple or single 15-second video, while the premium could include a 30-second video with raw footage and multiple hooks. Don't be afraid to start with a lower price to get your first few reviews, as positive feedback is vital for gaining traction. Another key thing is detailed gig description. Clearly outline what is included in each package, including the number of revisions, delivery time, and any specific requirements. Specify whether the price includes usage rights for paid ads, as this is a key consideration for brands. Step 3 is to land your first gig and over-deliver. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags to ensure your gig shows up in brand searches. Also, maintain an online presence. New sellers can often get a boost by appearing in the online sellers filter. Keep the Fiverr app open or use a browser extension to stay online as much as possible. Also, another key tip here is to over-deliver on your first few orders. To secure a 5-star review, give the client more than they asked for. If they ordered one video, consider sending a second version with a different hook. A glowing review and a happy client are your best assets for future businesses. Another key thing is to communicate clearly. Once you get an order, communicate with the brand to confirm expectations, timelines, and shipping details for the product. Clear communication from the start will prevent issues and lead to a successful collaboration. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.